Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing essentials. Update the My Home app and camera firmware so features are available. Sign in to your My account because cloud storage links to that identity. Enable two-factor if you prefer extra protection. Once done, make sure the camera is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. My cameras rarely support 5 GHz, so connect and verify signal strength. Then open the My Home app and locate your camera to begin enabling cloud storage. You now navigate inside the camera settings to the cloud storage section. This is where device and account are linked. Select a plan, trial or paid, and check retention length and video quality because higher resolution uses more space and data. Once you pick a tier, add payment info and confirm billing country, the app validates eligibility and region rules. After purchase, tap Activate or Subscribe and wait for confirmation. Make sure the camera shows cloud status as enabled before leaving the menu. You finish by verifying cloud status on the device page and creating a test motion to confirm clips upload correctly. This proves the link is active. Then review upload preferences, event-only versus continuous, quality, and any recording schedules, because these control data use and costs. If uploads fail, reboot the camera, sign out and back into My Home, and confirm router firewall or NAT isn't blocking outbound connections. Also ensure device time sync, NTP, is correct.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.